I'm out here at the Madison Boulevard crossing in Madison, Alabama, and there's been another change here to show y'all. The mast lights on this signal have been replaced with some Safe Train 12 by 24 inch lights. And that's really kind of the only change here. I'm gonna real fast. On the mid-90s. Which always makes me wonder if these are from like Old Highway 20, which means I need to get out there and check. Because I do know Old Highway 20 had some Safe Train 12 by 24s are from the mid-90s. So it's also entirely possible they're from Church Street in Huntsville, and the mast light, and the lenses and backgrounds were replaced. So yeah, nothing too major going on here, just some, just the mast lights were replaced. The other two signals are entirely the same, along with the overhead lights and bells. Over.